Hey guys, it's Technical here, and today I have the new Redmi 5 from Xiaomi, and today I'm going to be doing unboxing of this thing. So let's get started. The video is going to be crazy fun. So let's get started. So guys, today I got the new Redmi 5 from Xiaomi, and here I also got an earphone. So now we are going to be doing unboxing of these things. So let's get into it. This is the box of Xiaomi Redmi 5. Maybe I should use a tool to unbox it. A meat cutter? Sorry, wrong tool. Let's unbox this device. There is another box, and I don't know what is inside this box. Let's keep it here. And here we got the new Redmi 5 from Xiaomi. Let's unbox this. And here it is. I bought it today. It is the global edition of Xiaomi Redmi 5. The fingerprint is here, and the camera is here, and the flash is here. It has a front camera flash. So this is the device I bought. Let's keep it here, and let's check out this box. What is inside this box? Okay. Let's unbox it simply. And here I got my earphone. So let's keep it here. Maybe these are extras. Let's keep them here, and let's get started with this box. Let's check out what is inside this box. Oh yeah, the back cover. It's the back cover of this one. Let's keep it here. And I got my cache memo. And here I got a starting guide. and here we got a charger adapter, and here we got a B-type cable and USB version 2.0. Let's unbox this. I will cut the tape later. Let's turn on the phone now. Let me set up the phone. Oh yeah, I forgot to unbox this thing. It's so necessary to eject the SIM tray. Where is the SIM tray? SIM tray is here, but you can see it because of the black cover. The fingerprint sensor is working correctly. Okay guys, so this is the new Redmi 5 from Xiaomi, and I guess everything is working fine. I will make more videos on this Redmi 5. Okay guys, that's for today. If you found this video useful, please like it. If you have any question, problem or feedback, please write it in the comment box. Please subscribe my YouTube channel to get more tech and gaming videos like this. Like, comment and subscribe. Visit my website techteacher17.weebly.com for more. Also install our official Android apps, Tech Teacher videos and Tech Teacher videos full edition to stay connected with us. Trying something new is always better. Thanks for watching and goodbye.